In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise your hand in Google Meet. This simple feature is incredibly useful when you're in a virtual meeting and need to get the host's attention without interrupting the flow of the conversation. So whether you're participating in a class, a workplace meeting, or any group discussion, this will help you communicate more effectively. Let's start with opening Google Meet. You can do this on any web browser. In the search bar at the top, type in meet.google.com and hit enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Google Meet homepage where you can either start a new meeting or join an existing one. If you already have a link to the meeting you're attending, simply paste it into the address bar and press enter. You might need to log in with your Google account if you haven't done so already. Now that you've joined the meeting, let's locate the hands up feature. You'll notice at the bottom of your screen a toolbar with various icons. Take a moment to find the icon that looks like a little hand, usually situated in the middle of this toolbar. This is the raise hand button, which allows you to subtly let the host know you have something to say or a question to ask. It's designed to mimic the real-life experience of raising your hand in a physical meeting room, maintaining meeting etiquette while ensuring you're heard. Click on this hands up icon and you'll immediately see an indication on your screen that your hand is raised. This is visible to the host and the other participants, so they'll recognize you have a point to add to the discussion. Once your hand is raised, the meeting host may call on you when it's appropriate within the context of the discussion. It's important to remember that the raised hand will remain until it's manually lowered, or unless the host resets it. If you wish to lower your hand once you've been acknowledged, or if you no longer need to speak, simply click the same hand icon again. This will lower your hand, signaling to the host and others that your query or comment has been addressed or withdrawn. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to raise your hand in Google Meet. While this might seem like a small feature, using the raised hand icon effectively can make your virtual meetings more organized and productive. It's a great example of how digital tools can facilitate smoother communication. If you have further questions or need more tips on using Google Meet efficiently, feel free to explore other features on the platform or watch more of our instructional videos. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time.